Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your square of origami paper and you want to turn it so it's white side up. Now what you want to do is fold in half both ways, horizontally and vertically. Like this, and then once you've done that you want to fold it both ways diagonally. So now it should look like this. The next thing you want to do is collapse this shape into a waterbomb base, and to do that you want to lift the left and right centre sides up like this, so it starts to flatten, and then bring them down into the centre like this. With this remaining piece here you want to take this point and that point and flatten it down so that they touch the sides like this. So now the piece looks something like this. What you want to do is you want to take each flap on both sides and fold these diagonal lines down to meet this centre line. So that's one side. And that's the other side. So now what you want to do, this is one unit and you're going to need 7 more. So you can pause the video now and then resume later. Okay, so now once you've made all the units, you want to take 2 units, and what you want to do is with these small triangular flaps on the top of one unit, holding it in your left hand, you want to insert them into the pockets made by these flaps on another unit. So I'll just show you. So you want to take this flap and insert it into there, and take this flap and insert it into there, like this. So now it should look like this, with these flaps now inside this darker green unit. You want to take this unit on the left and fold it over like this. Just make sure that each side is fully pushed in. So now it should look something like this, with this green unit now on top. What you want to do is you want to take the rest of your units and continue inserting them all like that, and folding them over each time. Once you've done that you should end up with something that looks like this, where all 8 units are now assembled. The next thing you want to do is just treat this last unit exactly the same as any other and tuck it into the first. So what you want to do is open it back up and insert the tabs back into the last one. This last step is tricky. So now just work these flaps all the way into the other side. and it should begin to look something like this. Once you've done that, create this fold just like all the others, and now it should look like this. And then you've finished the origami magic circle. So to use it, you can just stretch it out, pull all the points together, and the best thing about this model is that it can make a complete 360-degree rotation all the way through the center like this. So thanks very much for watching. Check out the other videos on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.